Haigora. Ming Imtiaz Hikongmoyong, the All Manipur Muslim Student Organization, AMSO General Headquarter. Nasi MSc Amadi AMSOna Hamjariba Press Conference Asida, Koina Prazamiam Amadi, Ladiba Political Party, Singshima Hamda, in Singjaning was a work for amendment Ek Asigi, Mayokta, AMSO Amadi, MSc and Sindaraga, Democratic Oiba, Moong Dai. Protest rally na chingba kayam tawre asigi saruk am oina akoina Manipur da khoigi work for amendment ek asi pass tawda saruk yariba maru oina party sing makoi sing china piraga vote pira matamda khoigi ek asi mapung phahan gibani aduna hairiba political party sing asida yawriba karyakarta member sing sida thomi oiba sing amadi Handaki Panchayat ki koigi selected oina koigi kano thau puraga lairiba sing related oiba koigi political party sidagi koigi tawriba makhoi gi thabuk thawgai sing ado koi pangan praja miyamna makhoi da makhoi clear oiba stand koi pamjai haibadi makhoi sing asi khaktanati ekhoi khaktanati bill asina sokhalise Musalman haiba Puruk Kanglu Puting Maxida, Sokali, Moroi, Manipura, Pangal Haiba Society Sida, Sokan Besida, I quite the Sokonati, Haiba political party Adugi, member sing, candidate Wedamba sing, Aduga Mohi Karyakarta sing, Haiba sing Asitasu, Makoi Saru Yawi, Aduna, Makoina Manipur Prazamiam, the Makoi, clear, obey the Endumaso, Lautuaning Aduga, Manipur Prazamiam, as Haiba, work for Amendment Act 2025. Asigi mayokta democratic oiba aikoigi protesting releasing akoi makhata na sathagini mayamna su hairiba protest rally asida koi saruk yaminaraga hairiba ek asi aikoigi withdraw tawba repeal tawhanbada akoi amatoina hotnaminasi haiba wafam si thamjaraga